Alright, YouTubers, here we have Dayton Lasko number 4 as the original tassel, original pull chain cord. This one has to be direct wired. It has new wire ran in it at some point in time. Speed counter is still in there, still works. Let's go ahead and get a speed 1. And this low speed, let's go ahead and go to speed number 2. Good air so far. Speed 3. Very noise there is, you can hear it there. Like I said, most of these did that WD-40 white lithium pretty good. And I know I've been putting the video tiles at 36 inch just because that's how they look. These fans are actually 40 inch. I've been told that many times, I just keep forgetting. I'm not used to a 40 inch fan, so I'll probably go back and fix them. Like I said, once again, this is Dayton Lasko fan number 4. I have 2 more to go tonight. And miss way there at the end. Probably the blades aren't perfectly balanced. Let me know about the setup, by the way. This is at night, so I mean, I'm doing the best I can with a single light bulb I have down here. And the video looks decent, just the shadowing, but even that's not bad, I don't think. But I'm welcome to opinions and what you guys think. This one, the bearings freed up very nicely on. There we go. Thanks for watching.